I think artificial intelligence is something we need to be quite concerned about. I think we need to regulate AI safety, frankly.
Over the last couple of months, you might have seen thousands and thousands of news, tweets, and videos, all talking about ChatGPT.
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 GPT chat.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Even before the appearance of this chatbot, generative AI have been the hottest topic in Silicon Valley and all AI research community. And OpenAI was the heart of it. OpenAI was built in 2015 by Sam and Elon Musk, but he left in 2018 to focus on Tesla. OpenAI started as a non-profit AI research startup, but then it shifted into a capped profit one. And its latest product that boomed was ChatGPT. And Elon Musk thinks that it's scary.
Are you honestly, legitimately concerned about this? Is like AI one of your main worries in regards to the future?
Yes.
ChatGPT wasn't the first big AI chatbot product. Tay, for example, was produced by Microsoft, and it was learning by online users. And in a short period, he turned into racist and rude chatbot.
Microsoft has now taken Tay offline after less than 24 hours. They said that they would be making some adjustments to her and to how she engages with real humans.
I think that's a good idea, Microsoft.
Meta also produced a chatbot called Blender 3, and the problem with that chatbot is that he was producing wrong information. So what's special about ChatGPT that made all the world talking about it? ChatGPT is based on a solution called GPT 3.5, introduced by this paper, which is an updated version of the GPT technology presented in 2018 in this paper. The first version, GPT-1 model, was using around 117 million parameters and trained on few gigabytes of data. In 4 years, GPT 3.5 made an impressive improvement, and it reached 175 billion parameters trained on 45 terabytes of text data. But the special thing and the beauty of this approach is not in the number of parameters or the amount of training data. It's in the training idea that it's using. The difference between GPT-3 and GPT 3.5 is that they included human feedback in the training process. So instead of using standard reinforcement learning process, now they are using human feedback supervised reinforcement learning. For those who doesn't know, reinforcement learning is a simple concept. It's based on agent and environment. First, the agent have a look on the environment and takes what we call the state. Based on the state of the environment, the agent now decides which action he wants to apply on the environment. After applying this action, a reward is calculated in the environment and then returned to the agent. And based on this reward, the agent decides about the optimal action that he should make in the next step. And the human feedback here is exactly the reward. So instead of calculating the reward using mathematical models and complicated equations, GPT-3 is including the human feedback reward. So for example, when a chatbot sends a message, the answer of the human will be judged and evaluated by the chatbot to see whether the user was satisfied or not by his answer. And based on this reward, he will improve itself to provide better answers. This technology made ChatGPT make an impressive performance. And the first immediate consequence is that the website had frozen due to the massive amount of demand. The website reached more than 1 million subscribers in just 5 days. And to give you an idea how huge this is, it took Netflix 41 months to reach the first million subscribers, and Facebook 10 months, and Instagram 2.5 months. So people started being creative in using ChatGPT. Some of them made a lot of money selling books that was made by ChatGPT, and others created YouTube channels with content 100% created by AI.
I'm going to try to start a YouTube channel using only AI. I plan to automate the entire creative process from script writing to visuals to voiceovers and more. The channel has gained 130 subscribers, over 606 hours of watch time, and combining all of the videos together, facts from Frankie has received 92.9 thousand views.
But we've seen also many bad applications, such as cheating in exams, doing homeworks, and even this one that other than asking him to do his homeworks, he asked him for a code to write it with a 3D printer. All this is normal and predictable. But the problem here is the guideline is not fixed. Someone tried to discuss with Chatbot and tried to change his guidelines. First, he asked him for a tutorial to how build a Molotov. The chatbot rejected and refused to give him any details. After some discussions, the chatbot accepted to do so. This might be a disaster for some people and made a lot of them hate this technology. So to conclude, ChatGPT made a revolution in NLP industry. This will be extremely helpful in multiple applications, such as health services and many other applications. So let's wait and see how startups are going to use this technology, and whatever comes from it, this is the future. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and let me know in the comments down below what's the funniest question you asked ChatGPT.